Hey guys, it's Dane with DynastyBreaks.com. We are doing a personal box of a new 2019 gold label for Ben, ALB. May the force be with you, Ben. Good luck. See what you get. Yeah, Mandy, we had some old mamas. We had a couple triple autos out of the last case. Had a Tatis
There's Ben. I feel better.
auto. You feel better, George?
I feel better. I was worried about Ben not being there.
Oh, that's our frame. Save that for the end, Ben.
And Ben? After this, folks, we've got the Pick Your Team break coming up, scheduled for 9 o'clock in about 6 minutes. It is full, ready to go.
You ever been full and ready to go? Mandy? I was talking to Mandy.
Oh, okay.
I was asking her.
She asked if there was any old mamas. Wow, did you tell her that?
I did.
Okay, good.
You're back in time again.
I am. And I'm up. I'm
88 miles an hour, George.
Yep, that's it. Well, it's good to have a DeLorean.
All right, here we go. Ramirez, black parallel. We've got a Hideki Matsui, black parallel as well. Freddie Freeman, Class 1 black parallel. And nice, Roberto Clemente. That is a Class 1 red /75. Clemente. Luis Severino Knight here at Dynasty, Class 2 black parallel. Black parallel, Chris Bryant, Class 1. And our gold frame. Mandy pleads the fifth. She doesn't want to answer my question, George.
Come on.
Oh, baby.
Whoa!
It's actually a Tatis kind of night. That's our third Tatis auto tonight. 73 of 75. Fernando. Boom.
There you go, Ben A.
Nice gold framed rookie auto, black parallel. Sweet. Congratulations, man.
Woo!
Beautiful. What a box. There you go, George. We will get this out to you, man. Base cards around it.
Very nice.
And we'll get this stack out as well. There you go, Ben. Congratulations. We'll be right back with case 3 of Triple Threads.